Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. For part 2 of our series on the cheapest cars to maintain, we're here to help you navigate the world of low-maintenance vehicles. In this segment, we'll delve further into our quest. Nissan Versa. The Nissan Versa is a compact car that offers reliable performance and an affordable price tag. We here provide an overview of the Nissan Versa, as well as delve into the cost of maintenance for this particular vehicle. The Nissan Versa is a popular choice among budget-conscious drivers who still want a reliable and efficient vehicle. It is available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, providing versatility and options to suit different needs and preferences. One of the standout features of the Nissan Versa is its spacious interior. Despite its compact size, the Versa offers ample room for passengers and cargo. This makes it an excellent choice for those who frequently travel with family or friends, or for individuals who require extra space for their daily activities. In terms of performance, the Nissan Versa offers a smooth and comfortable ride. Its responsive handling and fuel-efficient engine make it an ideal option for city driving and daily commuting. Whether you're navigating through congested streets or cruising on the highway, the Versa delivers a satisfying driving experience. Cost of maintenance for the Nissan Versa. When it comes to maintaining a vehicle, cost is a significant factor to consider. Fortunately, the Nissan Versa is known for its affordable maintenance and repair expenses. One of the reasons behind the low maintenance costs of the Nissan Versa is its reliable build quality. Nissan is renowned for producing vehicles that are durable and built to last. This means that the Versa requires fewer repairs and replacements, resulting in lower maintenance expenses over time. Additionally, the availability of affordable parts and widespread service networks further contribute to the cost-effectiveness of owning a Nissan Versa. Since the Versa is a popular model, finding replacement parts and accessing professional servicing options is generally easy and affordable. Regular maintenance tasks such as oil changes, filter replacements, and brake inspections are relatively inexpensive for the Nissan Versa. Moreover, the vehicle's straightforward design and accessible components make it easier for DIY enthusiasts to perform certain maintenance tasks themselves, further reducing costs. Overall, the Nissan Versa offers a great combination of reliability and affordability, both in terms of its initial price and ongoing maintenance expenses. Please note that the information provided is based on general knowledge and research. Actual costs of maintenance may vary depending on factors such as location, vehicle age, and individual driving habits. Mini Cooper. The Mini Cooper is a compact car known for its iconic design and sporty performance. In this section, we'll provide an overview of the Mini Cooper and discuss the cost of maintenance for this popular vehicle. Overview of the Mini Cooper. The Mini Cooper is a British automobile brand that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. With its distinctive retro-inspired styling and nimble handling, the Mini Cooper offers a unique driving experience. It is available in various models, including the classic 2-door hatchback, 4-door hatchback, and convertible. One of the standout features of the Mini Cooper is its compact size, making it ideal for navigating crowded city streets and tight parking spaces. Despite its small stature, the Mini Cooper offers a surprising amount of interior space, with clever storage solutions and comfortable seating for both the driver and passengers. The Mini Cooper is also known for its fun-to-drive nature. With responsive steering and precise handling, it delivers a thrilling ride that puts a smile on your face. Whether you're zipping through twisty roads or cruising on the highway, the Mini Cooper offers a dynamic driving experience that is hard to match in its segment. Cost of maintenance for the Mini Cooper. When considering a car's overall affordability, it's important to factor in the cost of maintenance. Fortunately, the Mini Cooper is generally considered to be a relatively affordable car to maintain compared to some of its counterparts. One reason for this is the availability of Mini Cooper parts and accessories. Since Mini Coopers are popular among car enthusiasts, there is a robust aftermarket industry that offers a wide range of affordable options for repairs and upgrades. This can help to reduce the cost of maintenance, as you have more choices when it comes to sourcing parts. Additionally, the Mini Cooper has a reputation for reliability and durability. With proper maintenance and regular servicing, the Mini Cooper can provide years of trouble-free ownership. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and address any issues promptly to ensure the longevity of your Mini Cooper. When it comes to routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake pad replacements, the Mini Cooper's compact size makes it easier and faster for technicians to work on. This can help to reduce labor costs, resulting in lower maintenance expenses. In conclusion, the Mini Cooper combines style, performance, and affordability. With its unique design, enjoyable driving dynamics, and relatively low cost of maintenance, the Mini Cooper is a compelling choice for those seeking a fun and practical compact car. Whether you're a city dweller or a weekend road tripper, the Mini Cooper has the charm and capability to enhance your driving experience. Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is a popular midsize sedan that offers a blend of style, performance, and reliability. With its sleek design and spacious interior, the Passat appeals to both families and professionals alike. In this section, we will provide an overview of the Volkswagen Passat and discuss the cost of maintenance associated with owning this vehicle. Overview of the Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat stands out in the midsize sedan segment with its elegant and sophisticated design. Its sleek exterior lines and bold grille give it a modern and stylish look that is sure to turn heads on the road. Inside, the Passat offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin, providing ample space for both the driver and passengers. The Passat is equipped with a range of advanced features and technologies to enhance the driving experience. From the responsive touchscreen infotainment system to the available driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the Passat offers convenience and safety in one package. Cost of maintenance for the Volkswagen Passat. When it comes to the cost of maintenance, the Volkswagen Passat proves to be a reasonable choice. The Passat has a reputation for reliability and durability, which translates into lower maintenance costs over time. Its solid build quality and well-engineered components contribute to its overall reliability. In terms of routine maintenance, the Passat follows a regular schedule for oil changes, tire rotations, and filter replacements. These routine maintenance tasks are essential to keep the Passat running smoothly and prevent any major issues down the line. The average cost for these routine services is comparable to other midsize sedans in its class. However, it is worth noting that Volkswagen vehicles, including the Passat, may have slightly higher maintenance costs compared to some competing brands. This can be attributed to factors such as the availability of specialized parts and the level of expertise required for repairs. Nonetheless, the Passat's overall reliability and durability help offset these costs, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious car owners. To further enhance the ownership experience, Volkswagen offers comprehensive warranty coverage for the Passat. This provides additional peace of mind and can help minimize unexpected repair costs. As we have seen, the Volkswagen Passat combines style, performance, and reliability at an affordable price point. With its high-quality build and reasonable maintenance costs, it is a practical choice for those seeking a midsize sedan that balances comfort, technology, and value. Whether you're a daily commuter or a family on the go, the Passat offers a compelling package that meets the needs of a diverse range of drivers. Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of our series. We hope you're closer to discovering the perfect affordable car for your needs. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll continue our search for cost-effective vehicles. Thank you for watching.